attention to my neurodivergent teachers out there. A while ago here at N2S we paired up with some teachers to create a digital printable teacher planner. So many of you teachers out there love the planner, but we also noticed a pattern of a lot of teachers downloading our Notion template. And so we did the very reasonable thing of creating a teacher Notion template. And naturally, we named it the teacher. And I'm going to show it to you now. The first page of the teacher planner is the dashboard. Here you'll find a section for links like to your school's website, some quick templates like some blank study flashcards, a place to put your own personal Notion, a countdown tracker like to the end of the year that you can run with your class, a section to house all of your school years, as well as your current year's schedule. When you create a new school year, you'll be taken here. Under the assignments section, you have a space to list out the class, the assignment, the date it's due, as well as there's a formula that'll show you how many days are left until that deadline. There's also a section at the very front where you can check off whether or not you assigned the work. Off to the side, you have two sections, a section where you can see all of your assignment trackers, as well as all of your classes. You click into an assignment tracker, which is broken out by each class, you're taken to a page like this. This first table will allow you to track whether or not a student has submitted a certain assignment. The assignments that you fill in here will automatically populate here, depending on the class. Next, we've got two different grade trackers, just depending on your comfortability with Notion. If we look at the advanced grade tracker, there's a place to put your student's name, the assignment that you're grading, the weight of the assignment, G stands for grade, M stands for the mark they received, and then so on. Their next assignment, weight, grade, mark. At the very end, there's a formula that tells you the final grade of each student. If we head back to your year page, when you click on a class, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Here you'll see your assignment tracker, which we just looked at. Your assignments will automatically populate here. You can plan out your lessons, your readings, your tasks, and any checked tasks that are finished will be hidden under this finished tasks list, as well as there's a section for some note-taking. When you're back to your year page, you've got a section for your schedule, as well as all of your tasks. So to reiterate, everything here is connected. Any assignment or task that is associated with a class will automatically filter into that class. Anything with a date will automatically put into your calendar, which will then automatically update on your dashboard. Use this template to be your second brain so that you can focus less on the planning and more on the teaching. Link in bio.